الذين آتيناهم الكتاب يعرفونه كما يعرفون أبناءهم وإن فريقا منهم ليكتمون الحق وهم يعلمون.
Those to whom we have given the scripture recognize the place towards which one must turn in prayer as fully as they recognize their own sons. This even though a group of them knowingly conceals the truth.
الحق من ربك فلا تكونن من الممترين.
This is a definite truth from your Lord. Be not then among the doubters.
ولكل وجهة هو موليها فاستبقوا الخيرات أينما تكونوا يأت بكم الله جميعا إن الله على كل شيء قدير.
Everyone has a direction towards which he turns, so excel one another in good works. Allah will bring you all together, wherever you might be, for nothing is beyond His power.
ومن حيث خرجت فول وجهك شطر المسجد الحرام وإنه للحق من ربك وما الله بغافل عما تعملون.
From wheresoever you might come forth, turn your face towards the holy mosque, for that indeed is the truth from your Lord. And Allah is not heedless of what you do.
ومن حيث خرجت فول وجهك شطر المسجد الحرام وحيث ما كنتم فولوا وجوهكم شطره لئلا يكون للناس عليكم حجة إلا الذين ظلموا منهم فلا تخشوهم واخشوني ولأتم نعمتي عليكم ولعلكم تهتدون.
From wheresoever you come forth, turn your faces towards the holy mosque, and wheresoever you may be, turn your faces towards it in prayer, so that none may have an argument against you, unless they be those immersed in wrongdoing. Do not fear them, but fear only me, so that I may complete my favor upon you. Perhaps you will be guided to the right way.